What time is it? It's science time!
Vacuum pumps are another great way to explore and learn about air. It looks like Mr. C is putting a partially inflated balloon into the vacuum chamber. Once it's turned on... Oh, wow! This is so cool. The vacuum pump is pulling all of the air out of the vacuum chamber. Because the air is being removed from the chamber, it allows the air molecules inside the balloon to spread out. And look, when he lets the air come back into the jar, the balloon goes back to its original shape. It looks like he's going to try some marshmallows. Oh, that's awesome! Did you think that was going to happen? And now, shaving cream. What is that going to do? Oh, wow! Whoa! The crew is going to love this. Seriously, how cool is that? Here's the deal. A vacuum pump allows us to see that there's actually air inside of objects. As the pump pulls air out of the chamber, the air molecules in the objects are able to expand. Pretty cool, right?
Thanks for being part of our crew today and checking out this short clip from DIY Science Time. If you like this clip and you want to see more exciting science, check out the full versions right here on the channel. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting DIY Science Time.